India, 1930. A land under the iron grip of the British Empire, where the people yearned for freedom and self-rule. In the heart of this struggle stood Mahatma Gandhi, a man of peace, determined to challenge the oppressive salt tax. For centuries, the British had controlled the production and distribution of salt, imposing a heavy tax that the impoverished Indians could scarcely afford. This was the salt that was essential for the survival of millions, a basic necessity extracted from the very land they walked upon. Gandhi, the father of the nation, saw this as an intolerable injustice. He believed that nonviolent civil disobedience was the path to freedom. And so, he embarked on an epic journey, a march that would echo through history. On the 12th of March, Gandhi and his followers set off from the Sabarmati Ashram, a humble abode in the heart of Ahmedabad. Their destination was the coastal town of Dandi, some 241 miles away. They carried nothing but their clothes, a spinning wheel, and an unwavering resolve. As they walked, thousands joined their cause. Villages along the way swelled with supporters, their spirits ignited by the prospect of defying the British. The march was not just a journey, but a symbol of unity, of a people standing together against tyranny. After 24 days and 240 miles, Gandhi reached the coast at Dandi. He picked up a handful of salt from the seashore, an act that was considered a crime under British law. The world watched as he defied the salt laws, marking the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. The British, expecting a peaceful protest, were taken aback. They responded with violence, arresting Gandhi and thousands of his followers. But the Salt March had already served its purpose. It had ignited a fire of resistance that could not be extinguished. The Salt March was more than just a protest against a tax. It was a stand for freedom, a cry for justice, and a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Indian people. It marked a turning point in India's struggle for independence, a struggle that would eventually lead to the birth of a free and democratic India. Gandhi's Salt March was a beacon of hope for millions, a symbol of defiance against oppression. It stands as a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds, the human spirit can triumph. And so, the legacy of the Salt March lives on, inspiring generations to stand up for what they believe in, no matter the cost.